In this video, I'll show you an easy way to grow your deposit using just one tool for market analysis. Today, I'll be trading Forex pairs with my trading bot. The trading bot has 21 Forex pairs as well as an over-the-counter market and crypto OTC. I'll now create a short list and select the pairs with the best payouts. Then we can get started. I've added the currency pairs to my favorites and my list is ready. The first pair is the Swiss franc to the Japanese yen, and I'm about to take a signal. I'd recommend that before you start working with the trading bot, you select Forex pairs on pocket option based on the best payouts, and then compare them with the pairs in the trading bot. This way, you'll save a lot of time and be able to make quick decisions when you get a signal. I'm getting my first buy signal. As we can see, the trading bot used technical analysis, but the probability of making a profit here is quite low. In cases like this, I recommend not taking such signals, but let me take the risk and try opening this trade. Let's see how it turns out. The trading bot is a complex technical tool, but there's nothing secret about it. All the data it uses for a currency pair can be gathered manually by you, but it may take you anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to analyze it, while the trading bot does it in just 10 to 15 seconds. This is all possible because the data is collected and processed by the artificial intelligence of chatgpt. The trading bot has access to the TradingView platform and over 50 indicators, both free and paid, which it uses. And as we can see, the result is great. I'm making my first profit and moving forward. I'd also like to add that in addition to the indicators used by the trading bot on the TradingView platform, it also uses indicators from the Pocket Option platform itself. But that's not all. I've also connected websites that publish economic news, and the trading bot can analyze them and gather data from them. With the help of a team of programmers, we've uploaded 3 core analysis systems: Smart Money, Elliott Waves, and Technical Analysis. So I believe this is an excellent tool that can help traders analyze the market, as not everyone has access to such a wealth of knowledge. There's a second profitable trade. And by the way, I want to remind you that the trading bot is not my main source of analysis. I've been trading for over 10 years, previously focusing on cryptocurrencies. And for the past couple of years, I've been dedicating more attention to the Forex market. My team now has over 500 members who follow my signals and earn money. I also publish news analysis, useful trading literature, and soon I'll be offering a free course for my team members. This will allow beginners not only to copy my trades, but also to learn, while those with experience can improve their skills and increase their earnings. You can join my team completely free by messaging me directly. I provide more than 10 signals a day, which I analyze manually, spending a lot of time on it. You can be sure these signals are high quality and will bring you profit. Unfortunately, I'm taking a loss. The signal was actually very good, but I missed the start of the move, so I'm locking in a negative $600 loss. In any case, I'll take the next signal, but this time with a 2 times coverage to try to recover the loss. Here, I'd like to recommend that you don't use the martingale strategy, as it's not suitable for financial markets. The best approach in this situation would be to take the next currency pair and act on a new signal. Another recommendation is how I limit my losses. I trade up to 3 losing trades in a row. If I hit 3 consecutive losses, I stop trading, analyze my mistakes, and then come back to trade without coverage, using my basic risk management strategy. Emotions are the biggest mistake in trading, and you need to understand this. All trading is about decision making, and you have to realize that you'll never be right 100% of the time. So control your emotions, because it's mainly due to them that you lose your deposit. I've recovered the loss and even made a profit on top of that. I'll keep going. There are still 2 more signals, and then I'll see how it goes. If I take a loss on the last signal, I'll open another currency pair to cover it. If I make a profit, that would be great, and I'll finish trading and prepare for my session with my team. I use the trading bot every day, and it helps me grow my deposit. Thanks to it, I'm able to make a good profit on pocket option. Great. Well, this is the final trade, the euro to the US dollar, and its outcome will determine whether I continue trading or call it a day. The link to the trading bot will be in the description below this video. It's completely free, and to activate it, you just need to follow 2 simple steps. The instructions take no more than 10 minutes. The probability of making a profit was low, but the trading bot did its job. I've received another profitable signal, and with that, I'll be saying goodbye. Every member of my team and every subscriber of my YouTube channel can use my trading bot completely free of charge. I wish you all a great week, and I look forward to seeing you soon, guys.